Hey guys, I've had a couple questions about how to resize an image because your pictures for your posts are too large. So I just went to my posts. I'm at my blog. I went to my posts. I'm going to go to a week one prompt because that's what you guys are doing. I'm going to hit edit. And then if you remember, my picture of Merida was actually really big, and I probably should have made that smaller to begin with. So I'm going to go over here to my featured image, which I've already uploaded. I'm going to click on her, or the image, and I'm going to go to Edit Image over here. And then here is the scale. So these are the original dimensions. If you can see, I'm right over here. And if I make this smaller, so if I put in, let's say it was 640 and it was too big, I'm going to go with 500. All right. So it automatically, you can see that this is 2 times as high as it is wide. So it automatically gives me a number that makes it still dimensional right over here. So that might still even be a bit too big. So I'm going to do 400, and then it's going to give me 800. If you go down here, it'll give you ratios too. So for example, if I click 300, oh wait, no, actually it doesn't. It lets you choose yourself. So that is how you make the images smaller. You just do a smaller number. So let's hit scale. Okay, so hopefully she's smaller. Now I'm going to go, it says image saved, so I'm good. I'm going to go to back and set featured image, and let's do preview changes. Let's hope she's a little smaller. Okay, she's still a little big, so I could go back. I'm going to click edit. I'm going to go back here and click the image to edit. I'm going to go to edit image, and I'm going to do, let's even cut it down, 200 by 400 scale. Okay, let's see if that's working. Set featured image. So her scale, let me just click on her again, make sure it worked. Yep. And then let's do preview. Preview changes. Okay, so there, she's smaller. She's not as giant as she was before. So that is how you change pictures on your Edublogs. You have to kind of mess with the numbers. It's pixel by width by height, and until you get the correct image size.